All right, so it looks like we have another section to get into, and that is something I think is kind of true to
who I am.
Yeah, like this is what Walker does, I say, on a regular basis. Like he'd be doing this even if he never worked at Full Spectrum Laser. And we're calling this segment Awesome Again, where we take old things and make them awesome again.
Yeah.
Awesome again. All right, so what do we do this week, Walker? Do we have some before pictures?
Yeah, we have a good before picture.
All right.
This is actually when I was sending it to you from Goodwill.
Oh, right. This is actually your Intel pictures, right?
Yeah,
This is when he was out shopping. So, wandering into Goodwill, he saw what we'd consider this a good piece of material to work with, right?
Yeah.
Like a lot of possibilities on it.
It was what, $6, and it's wood, and I just saw potential in it.
Absolutely. So a $6 investment. All right.
Yeah.
So now what do we do with it?
So we masked it, and we'll take a good look at this picture and talk about it a bit. So usually we have the giant sheets of masking tape, which is nice because it's even, but we ran out. So we just used normal masking tape, tried not to overlap it too much. I missed some areas, so I had to do it.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. And then we just engraved on top of it. You can see there's actually an indent in there, and I didn't do anything. I didn't change the focus on that.
Right, because you have that 1/4 inch focus to play with, right? So
Yeah.
if you focus to that surface, that 1/4 inch drop there really didn't affect it much, right?
No, it didn't. And the text was so thin, all it's going to do is bold it up just a little bit.
Right.
Not too bad. And you would think that the double masking tape would be terrible, and you would be correct.
Yeah.
If it's doubled up, it's going to be harder to go through.
Absolutely.
Especially on like thinner pieces, it's a lot more noticeable.
Absolutely, and then the reason is that it's because you're fighting through the paper and the glue. So that glue is affecting how much marking you're getting on it. So you always want like a single layer of masking on it. And the reason why you mask that is because you're going to do a post process, right?
Yeah, I was going to actually spray paint this, but we ran out of spray paint as well. So I used oil-based antique gold paint, and I shoved it inside the deep engraving and then cleaned it all up.
And look at that. We actually have it here, don't we?
Yeah.
Well, we can take a couple shots of this now. What a great piece. Can we switch that so the camera is large and we're small?
Yeah, well.
Look at this great monogramming in the front. Just a beautiful little monogram in front. And again, that's gold filled. And then up top, I guess we're getting some glare, but just some beautiful fill on this engraving across.
I like the text.
And what's this say, Walker?
Creativity is experimenting, growing, taking risks, breaking rules, making mistakes, and having fun.
Oh yeah, it's a good idea. We can do that real quick. I'll give this back.
Especially making mistakes, I would say.
That's a pretty big one, right?
Yeah. There we go, that looks pretty good. Oh, not that way.
And maybe a little towards me, so it's this. There you go.
There we
So you can see, it's just great. I mean, the texture on this feels great. The gold turned out wonderful, and I mean, what a great pop. Now, what would someone use this for, right?
Knickknacks or...
Yeah, you put this like on your dresser, right? You can put your watches in there, your wallet up top, maybe a pen you put in your pocket. This is like, I think we'd call what they would have maybe called in the 50s or 60s a modern man's organizer, where you just keep it on your dresser top or the table next to your bed, or maybe even the table when you come in the front door of your office, and you can take out your wallet, your phone in this case, take out like those padded things for your rings and your watches, because I mean, we wear a ton of jewelry here.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I think I'm just going to put junk in it.
Just junk, yeah. Just one more thing to collect all the things that end up in your pockets you don't want to throw away.
Yeah. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, it's over here, and we've got a lot more videos over here.